Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a profile to your favorites on the Instagram app using your PC, featuring the latest update. This handy feature lets you keep your favorite accounts closer, so their posts show up more often on your feed. It's perfect for staying connected with the people or pages you love the most. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Unlike the mobile app, the desktop version is getting better with new features like this one, so make sure you have the app installed and updated. Once you're in the app, use the search bar at the top to find the account you want to add to your favorites. You can type in the username or the name of the person or business you're interested in. When the account appears in the search results, click on it to open their profile page. Now, here's where the magic happens. Look just below the profile name and bio. You'll see the following button. Click on it. Doing so opens a drop-down menu with several options related to managing your interaction with that account. In this menu, you'll see a new option called Add to Favorites. Click on that, and Instagram will immediately add this profile to your favorites list. From now on, their posts will be prioritized in your feed, making sure you never miss an update. It's an effortless way to tailor your Instagram experience on your PC, and makes your feed more personal and relevant. If you want to remove someone from your favorites later, just follow the same steps and choose Remove from Favorites instead. That's it. You now know how to add profiles to your favorites on Instagram using the desktop app. Enjoy a more curated and enjoyable browsing experience where your top accounts always come first. Thanks for watching.